back to the channel. Alright guys, y'all see what just showed up, right? This is a new transmission. It's happened to be a 62 TE. Alright, not a 41 TE, a 62 TE. 6-speed transmission. And y'all know what it's going in? That's right, ladies and gentlemen. This is a Chrysler Pacifica, the older model Pacifica. 2006 maybe, I want to say. Yes. Now, there's nothing unique about replacing a typical 6-speed transmission, but there is something unique about this car. Okay, the only way you can see how the frame is covering up the transmission, the only way to remove this transmission, ladies and gentlemen. I wonder if anybody done one lately. This is your transmission, my buddy. Have y'all replaced one of these lately? I haven't in a long time, but I have before. It's pretty much like anything. Once you do something once, it'll stick with you, I guess, for a while. But I've done one a good decade ago. Alright, so hey, yeah, y'all know what's unique about this? Another unique thing about this is under warranty. I'm doing this under warranty. This car is one of the last few cars that's still out there that has, get this, a lifetime powertrain warranty. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. So it doesn't matter how many miles on this car, anything go out that's powertrain related, meaning the engine or the transmission, they entitled to get it fixed free of repair. They obviously the original owner, because Chrysler did verify that. In fact, from what I heard, Chrysler threw them an offer, I guess $5,000 toward another car, another vehicle. They don't really want to put money into this, but she is adamant about her car. She obviously loved her car and she wanted it fixed. And I got the approval to go ahead and do it. That's what I'm gonna do. Like I say, this whole underbody cradle, I guess that's what they call this, cradle, has to come out. So now, before I even decided to take on the job, I had to make sure we have the special tool. Yeah, y'all know what the special tool is. It is this. Okay, this, I have to have this. There's no other way I can pull this off, or there's no other way I know how to pull it off. Like I say, I don't know about you aftermarket training guys, I don't know how y'all doing it, but yes, this is the cradle design for this vehicle. I went and hunted this thing down. I thought they had threw it away because we haven't done one in so long. It looked like trash, but it is still in our possession, and I'm going to use it to yank this transmission out. Now I might try to film some footage when I drop everything down. I will do a little recording, let y'all see how it's done, because a lot of the guys like to see this stuff. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, close this one down. It's just a little short clip to show y'all what I was up against or what to look forward to. In fact, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, man, so you won't miss any of these. I still do older model cars. Actually, I tend to send all the older stuff my way, and I don't mind. I have no problem with it. But stay tuned for the removal and the replacement of this 62 TE in this Chrysler Pacifica. Don't get it confused with the newer model minivan. Same name but a different vehicle. All right, this is the older style Pacifica. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Meet me back when I do the other video, R&R video, remove and replace video, dropping the cradle, dropping everything down. I needed this special tool, I got it. Now I can get this job done. So stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Thanks for watching.